It's 7 o'clock morning. I slept well, amazing. I feel very relaxed. So just woke up, washed the face. Need to have a cup of coffee, or maybe tea. Jasmine tea. And then today we booked rainforest trekking tour, maybe walking tour or trekking tour, hiking tour. Because Langkawi, in island there's a small the hills, mountains, hills up, hills down, straight. So and all forest area. Of course, some part maybe the trees was cut. They start to use it for construction, the houses, buildings, schools, airports. Yeah, but mostly the nature is a forestly area. This is a view. Oh, you see, very thick forest. Yeah. The sea over there. That one is the sea. Another island. Yeah. So have coffee and go to have breakfast. Yeah. Okay, we came to the breakfast area. It's really amazing, calming place. Open windows in the jungle again. Let me show. Yep. Like that. So let me show that table. So they start to view the coffee, orange juice. I think watermelon, grapes. Is it grapes?
This is not watermelon, this is dragon fruit.
This one is dragon fruit, yeah. This one watermelon, yes?
No.
No?
Honeydew.
Honeydew, yeah. And
Or winter melon.
they give, what's that? Show.
It's granola.
Granola, yeah. And we are waiting for some toast. The vibe like that. Atmosphere like that. I really love. And by the way, it's a vegetarian restaurant.
Vegan.
Vegan restaurant. Yeah. Good. And no.
Monkey.
Where's the monkey? Where? I cannot. Where? Hey, very far. There's a monkey again. Just there. Monkey again. Monkey very close. We see that here. Okay. Wow.
Ada
Tapi
cili.
tak belacan juga.
Tak ada.
Interesting. Habis ni tempe
Ya, tempe dengan
Mushroom. Wow. Macam rendang style.
Ya, rendang.
Wow, interesting. Terima kasih.
Yours looks better than mine.
You cannot eat this. I think you will get stomach ache.
Oh, is it
Yours
spicy?
looks amazing. Let's try this.
What's that?
I love this is
Peanuts.
peanuts.
Tomatoes, cucumber.
So this is nasi lemak but vegan version.
Oh.
Yeah.
But this one?
Avocado toast.
Avocado toast. Yes. Yesterday I ordered avocado toast. This is bread. I love it. Okay, lah. So this is our breakfast. Bon appetit. So actually inside there's a mushrooms, small white mushroom. Those are the mushrooms. Yeah, tomato, roasted tomato, some herbs here. So what else? This is the something little bit chili, the bread, and the pumpkin seeds. Okay. This one. Yeah, pumpkin seeds. Very delicious, really, very delicious. And some herbs again here. Tasted good. I love it. I really love it. How is yours? You are going to finish, yeah? You like it? Okay. So after 9 since breakfast we took the Grab and now we are going to rainforest trekking. Still need to drive the 10 more or maybe 15 minutes more. The highway.
Not the highway.
The highway in the island.
Wow. Mountains.
Mountains. Stadium or place to drive a car. It's possible to see the mountains of the Langkawi there. Oh, there. It's everything. Langkawi mountains.
This is the airport?
Yeah, the airport area. Okay. So we are crossing by the bridge. Yeah. Bridge is like that. I thought it's on the river actually.
Me too.
Yeah, but it's on the village houses. Local people, they live here. Hops. So we entered to the forest area, rainforest area. There is a lot of monkeys all around here. Yeah. So it's a zigzag way, zigzag way. So we are reaching soon to the starting point of the trekking in the forest. Okay. Yeah, this is I think the place where the village, actually we are in the center of the village of this island. So, and some gardens here, banana trees. I saw the different herbs here which grows the typical fruits for this island. Yeah, this way. It's nice even to explore those kind of area. Really, I like the style of the house, but I check all the house owners, they have cars or motorbikes. Yeah, island actually it's not so small island. It's a big island. Yeah, as big as the Singapore, I think so. Yeah, so this is why they need a vehicle. Driving very fast. Yeah, we are reaching soon to the meeting point. Yeah, 9 o'clock. We start our jungle tour. So it will take around 2 hours. Okay, not so hard. Let's see all around.
I went here when I was 3 years old.
Jungle trees. Okay, very thick. My wife and I, we are with our guide here. The local guide. Very polite. Okay.
Oh, Sabah. My ex-colleague is from Sabah. Yeah. Oh my god, it's like a rock.
Yeah.
But it's made of soil.
Yes, exactly. So it can face with some like the rain as well. Yes. But inside of this nest here, they also, technically they do have the queens. So normally the queens, they're going to grow like the size of my thumbs. So probably they can grow much more bigger than my thumb. Yes. And also, can you imagine like part of the queens can live about
Be careful.
can live about 35 to 45 years.
Yeah, and they are much more bigger than the others.
Correct.
Yes, yeah, and they
Exactly.
non-stop giving the eggs.
Correct.
Yeah,
Because like every day they're going to lay about 200 eggs.
yeah,
Every day.
Every
200
day.
eggs,
Yeah,
my
yeah.
God.
Probably millions of them.
Yeah.
Here.
and every day maybe the thousands of the ants they are dying on the. They could not survive
maybe?
reaching to the home. Yeah,
That's why,
yeah.
So you can see it takes for like 3 to 5 years to be like this nest here. But if you guys know like part of the termites, right, they love to eat like the woods, like the trees. But you can see the trees right behind over there. They should be like eaten by the termites.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Yes. So for examples, the white color termites, they're only going to eat like the live trees actually. So they're going to make like the hollow inside the trees. They kill it,
Oh,
and after that, after they kill it, the trees that die is actually going to get pushed by the strong winds.
okay.
Fall down, and after that, the black color ones they will come. So they will do clear. They will recycle it. All of the things just to kill it. So both of them they work together as well.
Okay. Actually, under the trekking route, they put this kind of the sign, you know. So to find the direction, where to move, have to come back. Yeah.
Yesterday we arrived.
That's right. Yesterday.
Yeah.
How many days left there?
3 more days.
See guys, as we make a stop here, I'm going to show you guys these plants here.
Yep.
It's actually called the rattan. So it's the rattan.
Fairman, you know yesterday the chairs, we were asking what material?
Yeah.
This is the material.
Really?
Yeah.
The rattan.
Rattan.
So like
but
here
it's
in
so rough.
Langkawi Islands, we do get about 20 types of species of plants.
Wow.
Different species of them, different sizes and different looks. Like part of their
Wow.
barks here, and same goes like part of their thorns. Because if you guys notice, they do have like a lot of the thorns. And different species of them, different looks like part of their thorns and different looks like part of their leaf as well. But you
Okay.
can see right how they grow from the grounds here and go to the top.
Yep.
So these rattan trees, they are actually considering like part of the palm trees, and also they are like the climbing trees as well. But how they're able to climb? They're going to use like part of the ankles. This ones we call it as the rattan ankles.
Uh-huh.
It's actually going to help them. If you guys take a look carefully here, they do having like thorns here. So these thorns going to help them to hook the other trees. They're able to climbing up.
Yeah.
Yes. So vertically up there. It's very strong.
Okay.
But normally, why they're having these thorns here, it's pretty much more like their self-protections. For example, like from the monkeys. So like the monkeys, hornbills.
Oh, that's not monkey, it's hornbill.
It's
Yeah,
hornbills. So like for the monkeys, right, they're not able to climbing out of these rattan trees because they do have the fruits that eatable also for humans.
Yeah.
So these rattan fruits, they taste a little bit sweet, and some of the species of them, they do have the fruits that taste very bitter. Sometimes it's not having taste. No taste at all. Yes.
There are a lot of birds here. Possible to hear their sounds. And inside this forest is a little bit humid here. I start to feel uncomfortable. Yeah.
Ada 3 benda.
Correct. As you guys can
Tu
so
ponton eh.
yes, correct.
Wow.
This is also like the part they're having these 3 thorns, and you can see like part of their leaf here. They're having a 3 leaves coming this way. So 3 leaves, so that's why we call that a
so
rattan
nice.
tiga.
Yeah.
But like for the locals back in the days, they're going to use this leaf here to make as a roof.
Oh.
But as they make as a roof, they're only able to use it just about like 8 months, and after that they need to change it.
8 months, why? Because the leaves die.
Correct, and also it's not not going to face with the rains. Actually.
Wow. Very tall tree, yeah.
Normally the kids, they don't know about these trees actually. So if you rub it in your hands, and you tap it, it will feel like itchy.
Oh, allergic, yeah.
Yes, give it a lot of irritation to your skins one night. But like for this leaf here, it's quite useful for locals back in the days, which they're going to use this leaf here. They will rub it in your hands and throw it in the river. in the lake. So they will poison the fish. So the fish they will float.
Wow.
Oh.
So after the fish they got poisoned, they are still able to eat the fish. Still safe as well. So of course you need to cook it first actually. Yes. And it's all like part of the indigenous people, like the orang asli. They're hunting using these bamboos, right? Yes. And then they will use this leaf to put in the bullets, shoot the wild boars. So the wild boar they will go paralyzed. So after the wild boar they got paralyzed, they're still able to eat the wild boar
But
as well.
for humans, it just makes it itchy. That's all.
But for example, what I say is also dangerous for humans. If you try to take out these trees here and take the roots and you boil it and you drink the water, I guarantee you guys are going to the to the toilet like back to back.
Oh.
Give you some
diarrhea?
Kind of, diarrhea things actually. So probably you need to go to the hospitals one night warded actually. But like for these trees, we do have this cure in the jungles here. There's two options actually for it. So the first one you need to look for coconut water.
Coconut water.
The coconut water do have some kind of special mineral inside of it.
Yeah.
So they can cure you immediately. 1 to 3 seconds.
Wow.
Can you imagine like if you go to the hospital one night here in the jungle, just 1 to 3 seconds here. But like we do have this another second options. You need to get like the bottle of waters and take the clay down here and put it in the water.
And
Mix
then?
it first and then let the dirt went down, let the water clear first, and you guys drink it.
Oh, really?
Also 1 to 3 seconds.
Yeah.
Because like the part of the water soils, like the soils technically they'll be like attached with some other trees, right? So they do have some kind of the benefits inside of here.
Oh, interesting.
So for that one's also been some kind of like the mysteries here.
Yeah.
The part of the locals here as well.
Look, Adiba. Adiba, come here. Come here, don't worry. The soldier is this one.
Okay.
With the big hat, you see?
Yeah, it's quite big.
Yeah? The others are workers, just slaves. They're working, yeah? And this one is checking, strangers. Doesn't let them to come in to the house. Yeah? To know each other, they touch their, their mustache maybe? Yeah?
So see like for them, they are very active to eat like trees when it comes to the rainy season.
Wow.
So for that ones we call it as the lianas or the lians.
Lians.
Yes. Also the same thing like this one too. See right how they grow
Yeah.
around here and then go to the top of the trees.
Wow.
So if you guys take a look for these lianas, and it looks like they're strangling
Yeah,
these
yeah.
trees here.
Yeah,
They
oh
look
yeah.
similar to the parasite trees, but these ones here they're not even a parasite trees.
They have their own roots, yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
So they're only having a spot with these trees here to get like the enough suns and enough
Yeah.
waters. So like here in Langkawi Islands, we do got about 13 types of species of them. So different species of them, different looks like part of bars and different size of them.
Okay.
So here in Langkawi Islands, we also call these lianas as our lifesavers here. So like for example, if you get chased by some like the dangerous predators here, like the tigers, but we don't have any tigers here. in
Oh my
Langkawi.
Not anymore, yeah?
But the mainland, yeah. So for example, the wild boars can be like quite aggressive as well.
Oh.
So you can use this,
To go up, yeah?
lianas to climbing up.
Yeah.
Oh, you can climb up this tree?
Yes,
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 yes.
yeah.
Also like for me,
Very strong.
I've been climbing up. Like,
Yeah.
Oh my god!
yes.
Okay.
So like the Tarzan.
Yeah, crossing from the old river place. And here's a lot of the thermals. And yeah, my gosh, there.
You're not wearing covered shoes.
It's okay, no worries. No worries.
Last time here ada harimau, the tigers here. Only in Midland. So here there's leopards.
But that's actually just like a local folk, but we don't have any records of it. So we can't really sure about it.
Oh, because Malaysia has leopards, right?
Yes, sir.
In the mainland. Where, like Taman Negara, that side? Wow. There's leopards in Malaysia,
Oh,
but not here.
okay.
See like here in Langkawi Island.
My mother is traveling in Africa, but she has a tongkat, so she can waterfall is the easiest to go. Because I
It's actually dia punya tangga dia tu tak berapa nak elok sangat.
Oh.
Yes. Because previously dia ada macam sedikit.
What?
Spider.
Which one?
Here.
Where?
Here.
Oh.
My finger.
Yeah, spider. Yeah, walking to the deep point of the forest. Wow, less oxygen. I think so. It's very humid here. Very hard to breathe now. For me, it's an unusual forest. First time I am inside of the rainforest. Yeah, actually the forest in my country, they are more cool, you know, even in the summertime, the fresh air. But here, humidity, yeah, very very hot. Yeah,
Some small streams around
yeah,
here. But that one you need to go deep, much more deeper.
like that. So age of this forest, it's a maybe million years. So yeah, a lot of trees, old trees, and some of the old trees they fall down, you know. Yeah, actually, the land is a sandy land, like a lot of sand. Yeah, yeah. So and a lot ants here, termites here. Yeah, and stones here, a lot. Yeah.
Once we got lost.
How did you get out? Like if someone gets lost here, what kind of nature cues do they follow? Signs from nature to know?
The trees they are straight up, you know. They are growing up straight.
How does a moss?
Yeah, to get more sun to grow up, you know. Yeah.
You can also find a way out. It's like the jungle compass instead of you. But for this as a periang, or like the Latin name we call it as a Dipterocarpus speciosa. So like here in Langkawi Islands, we do got about 70 types of species of them. So different species of them. How do you guys want to know the difference between the species? It's only by their seeds, and also like part of their leaf. But you can take a look on their part of their bark, but it's quite difficult to identify different species of them. So normally, you know, part of the hardwood trees, they're going to able to live about 400 to 500 years. But like here in Langkawi Islands, they're just going to reach about like 40 to 50 meters high. But I believe in the part of the Borneo, you know, they're able to reach about like 70 meters high.
Hmm.
Higher.
Okay.
But
Okay, Adish. Wow. Wow.
Yeah. Oh yeah, macam speaker There's an echo.
Echo, yeah.
yes, it's very making a huge loud echo. You know,
The animals will not come, right, if I do this.
No, animals just run away from this. Yeah, this tree already fall down in October last year, maybe this year. Yeah, and it's not legal to take this out or use this tree by the villagers. Yeah, protected by the government. Interesting. Actually, you can make the very good the furniture from this tree. It's very strong. Yeah, hardwood. Yeah, really. Well, it's okay. Let me continue. Coming, no worries.
So I mentioned right now that I've been to Singapore once. And that time I do like my kind of project about the mangrove in Singapore.
Oh really?
Yes, I went to this
Pasir
one,
Ris,
the
is it?
Sungai Buloh one,
Oh nice.
and this Pulau Ubin.
Oh, Pulau
Yeah, I
Ubin.
went to Pulau
Nice.
Ubin for cycling over there.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
nice. Half inch.
Huh?
Half
So
inch in
how
1
long
year.
does this tree take to grow? How old is this tree then?
Yeah, this one's actually they are a little bit slightly much more older will grow, right? So this one about like 500 to 600 years.
Yes. Oh my god, Fairman.
Yeah.
But if you guys come take a look here,
This is ironwood. Ironwood, one of the hardest wood in the world.
because of these trees, it's very hard,
Look.
harder than the hardwood trees. You see this buttress here.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
try to come straight, but they got blocked by this,
Okay.
so they can't even fight with these trees here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so they need to go to the other way here.
Yeah. Yeah. Again, one more tree fell down. Wow. To step over. Wow. Okay.
See these trees here? I believe
Yep.
we got some in Singapore as well.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
This
Nice.
is bulu.
Yeah.
But you can see these berries here. You can eat these berries.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Try it.
Okay.
I don't want, I'm scared.
Give me that one.
No,
Adish.
just take this one. There on his hand.
Wait.
What berry is it?
This one we call the senduduk bulu. But the taste, it's not very sweet actually, but it's edible. You can eat it.
Is this called?
Senduduk bulu. Or we call it as a Heraclidamia leaf. So, for this leaf here, you can use it as a jungle. Species of the rattan. They're much more softer. This one called the soft rattan. This one, yeah, give me like the small handicraft, like the
Yep.
baskets.
For the chairs, maybe.
This one here I also can call like the boy's nightmare, you know. For the discipline, you know.
Oh, the rat. Rotan.
Yes. But have you heard like in Langkawi Islands we also going to export, you know, this part of the rattan to China, because the Chinese people they love to make like this part of the handicraft of the stand back.
Oh my god, it's coming, it's coming.
He's protecting his, I think so,
Yeah.
his land, yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
Wow, first time I see so big like that.
yeah, it's so big.
Centipede orang Melayu cakap apa?
Lipan.
Lipan.
So,
Atau kita panggil
so
lipan
they
bara.
bite, but they bite, yes.
Yes.
Besarnya, ya Allah.
Kalau lipan bara dia bahaya.
Okay lah, cik.
Sini.
We cannot kill it
Kena.
No.
Just let them go first.
Okay. On our path there's a tree. Wow. Look at here. A lot of needles on it. Dangerous. I should be careful. Wow. It's a really jungle, huh?
See this one here? I call it as a whiteboard.
Oh, really?
Because actually when it's come to the rain, there's a lot of full of water inside of here.
Hmm.
So normally they're going to go for a shower in this area.
Yeah.
Wash their bodies with mud.
Yeah.
So they need to cover their bodies with the mud, you know, because like here, like I mentioned, this come to the afternoon, it's very warm inside of here. So to keep their body cool inside of the jungles here.
So,
It's much
are they
more-
nocturnal?
For them?
Yeah.
They are not even nocturnals actually, but they are also quite active during the nights and also during the daytime as well.
But they're scared of humans, is it?
Mhm.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
they are
Yes.
not around us. Lah.
Yes, but do have some babies with them. You have to make sure they not, make them feel threatened.
Mm.
Otherwise, mother.
Okay. I think we are going to end our
And like this,
Trip.
look like the Tarzans,
Oh,
You can see how
yeah.
the Sianas.
it's a palm
Yeah.
tree
This
leaves.
is the one that we can climb, right?
Yeah, so nice. Okay, like that. Yeah, it was kind of good experience to know, to see, to walk in the rainforest, in the jungle, and to see different kind of trees, to see different kind of plants. Yeah. Good. So what we are going to do after that, we have some plans to go to visit the different part of this island. Yeah. Okay. See you soon.